Hello bachcho, assalamu alaikum, namaste. My name is Prem Kumar. Today we are discussing the correct use of the relative pronouns. So our topic is use of the correct relative pronouns. So we are continuing. We have to discuss GK questions. Now we are discussing the correct use of the relative pronouns for the preparation of the 5 to 15 skill test ongoing will be the held. Now is this test will be the this test will be the conducted. So ongoing the preparation of this test 5 to 15 skill tests. So today we are discuss correct use of the relative pronoun. Before that, doesn't press the button of subscribe. Please press the button of subscribe and also press the button of bell icon. You got notification each and every videos. Let's get started. Keep in mind, who is used, who refer to people, who is used for the people, who is used for the people in the sentence. We use the who means who is referred to people or persons in the sentence, in the name of peoples in the sentence. Who about talking about communicating the people, about communicating the persons, then we use the relative pronoun who. In the sentence we use the pronoun of who. In the sentence, when we used that represent the that refers to things. In the sentence means things are the indicated, things are the represent, that then we use the relative pronoun that. And when we use who, that refer to person or people, then we use who. And that represent the things, then we use that in the sentence for the relative pronouns. Means keep in mind who is a subjective form. Who is the subjective form? It's also known as nominative form. It is accusative form is whom. It is accusative form is whom. It is genitive form is whose. Nominative form, accusative form, and genitive form, also known as subjective form, objective form, possessive forms. You have to know about who is used to person, who is used for the person, that is used for the things. In the sentence means who person will come, then you will use the relative pronoun who. And the sentence things are represented, then you will use that. So let's take example. We have to take 5 examples here. So we are using about who, whom, whose, that, and who. So let's get started. Ali represents my brother. Ali represents my brother. Sorry, Ali respects my brother. Dash is senior to him. Ali respects my brother. Means Ali is a person. Ali is a person. So we have to discuss. Means those sentence which represent the person, which represent the people, then we use who. So Ali is a person. Ali respects my brother, who is senior to him. Who is senior to him. Who is senior to him. So Ali is a person, Ali is a people, then we use who. So who is represent the person or people. So here is the people, here is the person, then we use who. He is the one. He is the one I meet yesterday. Who is the one I meet yesterday. Also we use who is a nominative form. Its accurative form is whom. So he is the one. He is the one I met yesterday. I met yesterday. So here we are used. It's a whose nominative, who is a accusative form. So he is the one whom. He is the one whom I meet yesterday. Keep in mind, also remember that who is a nominative form, whom is a accusative form. Here is Ali. Ali is a person, then we use who. Here is he is also a person, first person, second person, third person, then we use its accusative form whom. This is the pen. This is the pen I gifted you. Pen is the things. Pen is the things. Then what will we use? That this is the pen that I gifted you. This is the pen. This is the pen that I gifted you. This is the pen that I gifted you. The house is next to my school looks spooky. Looks spooky. Here we use which is next. The house which is next to my school looks spooky. There are children, parents never come to school. There are children, parents never come to school. Whose? Here is who. Its genitive form is whose. So we use here its genitive form whose. There are children whose parents never come to school. Ali respects brother who is senior to him. He is the one whom I met yesterday. This is the pen that I gifted you. The house which is next to my school looks spooky. There are children whose parents never come to schools. It was all about the relative use of the correct use of the relative pronouns. If you have any question, then you may ask in the comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.